Now we are on our way to the photo shoot with Cynthia. We're gonna wear the costume stuff and we'll check in soon. So we are in New Orleans. We're doing a private photo shoot at a mansion. Let me get past you. Look at this. Isn't this ballroom lovely?
It's running through. You want me to stop? Yes. Show the skirt, or show the bustle skirt off.
So we are in New Orleans in a mansion. And we're doing a photo shoot.
We're on Aftercare Bear.
Aftercare Bear, we love you.
It's right here.
Filming and Tanya's shooting. She looks so gorgeous in her corset. And that green. I come underneath you. Look at that couch.
You guys gonna do makeup?
Yeah, so pretty. Having a good time in New Orleans.
I'm the happiest I've been in years, actually.
I can see why. This, I guess, is the parlor. Some of our lovely models. Say hello. Oh, it looks so beautiful. She's like a succubus devil.